This Citroen Jumper 2008. It took almost 1 year to complete. The van is 6-meter length and 2-meter 80 high. On the rooftop we have a box for extra storage and a solar panel. And here our bike hidden. Here all the storage. We have this one. Here inside the water tank.
How big is it?
120 liters. We closed this one because of light and privacy, and we choose to change this because we don't want a window anymore.
Oh, you had that window when you closed?
Yeah. Last year we had another window. This is Marco's invention. Yeah. When we cannot put anything outside, we can use this little thing to dry things. Little things. And then here we have the gas bottle. This. Voila. So when we cook, we have a little bit more space. And then you can also do this one. So when we move, it don't hurt. Between the two seats, we have Samba's home. So we have to close this to turn the other seat. Gira.
Not so difficult.
No.
Non usiamo mai.
But we don't use this side when we are in some place because I use the sofa. And Marco the seat. Here we have the storage for food and kitchen things. Here, some photos of our friends. And our table. Last year, Marco built bigger one because it was too small, and now it's bigger. And we also have this one to make it longer, like this. And we keep it stored here. We also have a not easy. This that we use to go on the rooftop, and another storage with books here. Our table, we can use it also outside. You have to take it off. Yeah. And we can use it by connected here. Under the sofa we also have the heater, and this is for starting and choose the temperature. And you can open this. Here comes the air. It's also hidden inside. And then we have the kitchen. Magical kitchen. Woo! So you can use this to put things, and then usually this soap. So I can cook and to wash things, dishes ourselves, and we can use this to have the shower outside. And sometimes we use like this, or also the one we have in the bathroom outside the window. Here inside we have all the dishes,
Pots and pans.
yeah, and stoves, yeah, and also here other cups, glasses. Here another storage for food, pasta. Yeah, all the bottles and spices. And well, while moving, we take it this. And then you can do, this was from a microphone. And the fridge, it works with the battery, but not good, with electricity or with the gas.
And how big battery and solar panels do you have?
We have one solar panel and one battery, Marco, 100 ampere.
And the solar panel?
150 ampere for the solar panel.
And it's a lithium battery.
No, not a lithium battery. No.
Is it enough?
Yeah, for us it's enough. Yeah, for one day, and then you wait for the sun the next day. But I think we never discharge completely. 1 meter 80 for 1 meter and a half. Yeah, and we have other storage for our things. So this is Marco's part, and this is mine. These soaking with other things. And this one.
How much did it cost to build this?
I don't know.
Approximately.
Quanto sarà costato costruire il tutto? Anche con il van però. Ok, 22,000 complete. The
Together
price,
with the van.
yeah, together with the van and all the works inside. We decided to not to have a real door for the bathroom because it takes too much space. So we have this one, and voila! We have a chemical toilet, but we don't use chemical product, so so natural. The shower is also a storage for food. We built this in wood because when you sit here, you don't have to stay like this.
Nice toilet.
Yeah. And this is for the shower. We can separate the shower from the other space with this curtain. You don't wash everything inside. We can use it also outside from the window. Long. We are musicians. In Italy, we have a band called Sistaila and the Navigators. Now we are only Sistaila and Papanuccio. And we try to play also when traveling. This song is called Make It Real and it's about dreams. Woke up and it was in my brain. Took a shower and it was the same. Out for a job with my friends at the club, buying fruits and some veg at the shop. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Woke up and it was in my brain. Took a shower and it was the same. Then all came clear now. I can feel the fear. All I've got to do just make it real. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. Make it real. Make it real. You've got to make it real. You've got to make it real.
Nice. Woohoo!